So in this lesson we are going to study about the indeclinable words which are called al-kalimatul mabniya in Arabic. We have already learned in the Arabic language that the words take different cases. For example, nominative case which has a dhamma or dhammatain on it, accusative case which has fatha or fathatain, or genitive case which has kasra or kasratain on the last letter. We have studied all this, and the rules which makes these the cases change. A word takes a single case when it appears with a definite article, means the word which starts with al, okay, it takes single case, and double case when it is without the definite article, okay. So these all things we have seen before, but there are certain words in Arabic which do not change their vowel endings in order to indicate their function. So these words are called indeclinable words in English, and in Arabic they are called al kalimatul mabniya. We'll see some examples here. So the interrogative articles are indeclinable. Interrogative articles are articles like when you ask questions, these are called interrogative articles. We start questions with who, where, what. In Arabic it is man, aina, mada. They don't change their ending sounds, okay. So aina will not become ainu or aini, okay. So these are indeclinable articles or indeclinable words. The directing words are mostly indeclinable. So the masculine this, we use hada, that, zalika, and this feminine is hadihi. Hada, this, zalika, that, and hadihi is feminine this. Okay, so these are again indeclinable words. The prepositions are indeclinable. So ala, fi, ila, these are all indeclinable words. They don't change their ending sounds. The pronouns are always indeclinable. So huwa, hiya, anta, these are all indeclinable words. We'll see some examples. So the words in red, these are indeclinable words, okay. So hada rajulun, this is a man. Man anta, who are you? Haqibatu, man hadihi, whose bag is this? Hadihi battatun, this is a duck. Aina al-asadu, where is the lion? Mada ala al-maktabi, what is on the desk? Al-mudarrisu amama tulabin, the teacher is in front of students. Al-mudarrisu amama tulabin. Now in the course we are going to use some sentences that are specifically related to Islam for the benefit of the Muslims studying this course. And if you are a non-Muslim, which it is fine, you will get to learn some basic beliefs about Islam, which is the main religion in the Arab world and in other parts of the world as well. So we'll see some examples. Aina baytul mudarrisi, where is the teacher's house? Huwa ba'idun, it is far away. So huwa here is indeclinable word. Aina is again indeclinable word. The Quran is the book of Allah. Al-Quranu kitabullahi, the Quran is the book of Allah. Al-Ka'batu baytullahi, the Kaaba is Allah's house. Kharaj al-mudarrisu min ghurfatil mudiri, the teacher went out of the principal's room. Sayyaratu Abbasin fi shari', Abbas's car is in the street. Babul masjidi maftuhun, Babul masjidi maftuhun, the door of the mosque is opened. Ain al kalabu, where is the dog? Huwa tahta sayyarati, it is under the car. Hada baytu hamidin, this is the house of Hamid. Wadhalika baytu Khalidin, and that is the house of Khalid. So here hada is again indeclinable word. Dhalika, okay. Here aina, huwa, these are all indeclinable words. Thanks, and do share the course please. Thank you.